Hey, you want to build your email list for free? Well, here's the deal. If you currently have an email list of any size, I don't care if it's 100 people, you can build your list for free and let them build it for you. Here's what I mean. Create a giveaway. We use a tool called KingSumo. Then what we do is we send that giveaway out to our email list, and here's the magic. On the thank you page of the giveaway, after they've entered, they are going to be able to share it with other people to get more entries, more chances to win the prize. All right. So that's the little hack for you. So let me recap. Number 1, create a giveaway. Number 2, send it out to your email list. Number 3, watch your list grow for free. If you want more email list building tips, head on over to emaillistplaybook.com. That's where you'll find a 100-page guide that I share with you exactly how to build your list in multiple ways. Go check it out.